In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create organization-wide email footers in Salesforce. By the end, you'll have a clean, consistent footer that automatically appears on your outgoing emails, helping with branding, compliance, and clarity. First, let's get to the right place in Salesforce. Look to the top right corner of your screen for the gear icon. Click it and choose Open Advanced Setup. This takes you into the main setup area where all your administrative tools live. Once you're here, use the search bar on the left to quickly find what you need. Type Email Footers and select it from the results. That opens the Email Footers page. On this page, you'll see a list of any footers that already exist for your organization. If this is your first time creating one, the list might be empty. No problem. This view is helpful later when you need to revisit, edit, or compare different versions. To create a new footer, click New. You'll be prompted to give your footer a name. Pick something descriptive and easy to recognize, like a short label that reflects its purpose or audience. This name is internal, so it's for your reference and for anyone else who might manage footers in the future. Next, enter the text of your footer. Keep it professional, concise, and consistent with your brand voice. Common elements include your company or department sign-off, a brief legal notice if required, links to your official site or help center, and any compliance statements your organization needs. Avoid including sensitive personal information. If your team communicates in multiple languages or uses special characters, make sure your content reflects that appropriately. Below the text area, select the email encoding. For most organizations, UTF-8 is a safe, modern choice because it supports a wide range of characters and symbols. Choosing the correct encoding helps prevent odd characters from appearing in your messages, especially if your footer includes accents, symbols, or non-English text. When you're satisfied with the name, the text, and the encoding, click Save. That's it. Your new footer is now part of your organization's setup. You'll see it listed with any others you've created, and you can come back at any time to edit or remove it as your branding or compliance needs evolve. And that's all you need to create organization-wide email footers in Salesforce. Keep your message clear, stay on brand, and you'll ensure every email leaving your org looks consistent and professional.